After you receive this gift card from Zingoy, let's just say you have got a gift card of worth 50 rupees. To use this gift card, visit www.zingoy.com. Sign up if you haven't. Then click on gift cards and select the store of which you want to buy your gift card. Let's select Amazon. Now on the right side, sort the list by low to high. Here you can see an Amazon gift card of 50 rupees. Add to cart and click on continue. Now click on review and continue. Untick use Zingoy earnings. Then click on proceed to pay. Then on the left of the page you can see Zingoy gift cards. Select that. Now enter the voucher number in the gift card code and pin in the pin section. Then click on add. Now you can check your total payable amount is 0 rupees. Then click on pay now. So now you have bought yourself an Amazon voucher worth rupees 50. Click on details to know the code to be used on Amazon. Now let's see how you can transfer this Amazon gift card in your Amazon Pay balance. Visit amazon.in or the store you have purchased the gift card of. Go to your account, click on Amazon Pay balance. Scroll down and select add gift card to balance. Now copy the gift card code from Zingoy to Amazon Pay balance. And then click on add gift card to balance. This is how you can successfully add gift card to your Amazon Pay balance. Now select the product you want to buy and during checkout, in the payment method, make sure you have selected this option. So you get a 50 rupees off on your purchase. Here we have selected a product of rupees 35, hence the total amount shown is 0 rupees. So this is how you can use Zingoy gift cards easily.